guys, it's me Dave from Simply Party Props. This is a video for those who bought our Coroplast shelf, and I hope this tutorial really helps you out on how to assemble it. Feel free to contact me for any other questions. Now let's get started. These are the pieces that will come with your shelf. This is our main piece, and our shelves are already attached on there to make the job easier. These are side pieces which will go next to our main piece. This is the big frame that will go at the very front of our entire shelf. These are the side panels which will go right next to the frame and create that side covering. There will also be 4 of these side pieces. They will have double-sided tape on them. They have those little flaps on each end. And there will also be 4 of these corners. They're labeled, but you can honestly use them anywhere. This is our awning piece. It will consist of 2 sides with double-sided tape, and you can see our main piece is already scored and with double-sided tape. Now that we've introduced the pieces, now we can get started on assembly. You should first start off by applying tape on all of the scoring, which is all the folds which will appear on our big frame, our side panels, and our main shelving piece. In this video, I will be using painter's tape because this shelf is actually gonna ship. I don't want to leave any residue of any other tape. I would recommend using clear tape since it's not as visible and it works great. Most of our pieces have double-sided tape and little flaps, so please make sure to remove the tabs in order to see the double-sided tape. Now we will be applying our side pieces. Make sure the green is on the inside and the flap is facing upward. So now you're going to stick the side of the shelf to the side piece, just like I'm doing in this video. There will be a little gap, but nothing too big. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You can see the painter's tape in here, but as I said, we will be shipping this, so I didn't want to use the double-sided tape. So this is an idea of how the frame will look like. The side piece and the bottom piece, the bottom shelf, will have flaps with double-sided tape. You need to remove the tab in order for it to attach it to the frame. Now to attach the shelving piece to your frame, I would recommend putting your frame upside down, the same with your shelf, and now you can measure with side support pieces. You can measure where it should lay. Now that you've done that, you can go ahead and start applying your side panels to your frame. Now you will get the 90-degree angle pieces. You're going to put them throughout the whole 4 corners between your side panels and your frame. Last thing will be our awning. It will have 3 pieces, our 2 side pieces and our main piece. So you're going to attach the sides like that, removing the tab from the double-sided tape. And then, as you can see in this video, I'm touching that little flap. That little flap will be going right on the frame to make sure it doesn't move. Then you can apply the awning right on the shelf. Here's what it should look like from the back with the support pieces. It's a rough draft from our first sample, but it should look something like that, the corner pieces and the side support pieces. The instructions for this shelf are a little different than our TikTok, but it's almost pretty much the same, but better. And that is it, guys. That's all the instructions for our shelf. If you have any questions, please reach out and we will gladly help.